What's up, Matcha Gang, Nouns Gang, or anyone else watching? I'm Michael, and I'm here to show you how to set up limit orders really easy on matcha.xyz. Let's do it. Well, first, what is a limit order? When would you use one of these? Limit orders allow traders to make a specific buy or sell at a certain token price. This is convenient if you're trying to buy a dip, sell a rib, maybe you're trying to DCA, or just make a sell plan for yourself. Basically, limit orders allow you to set and forget. That's nice, right? Well, let's dive in and create one. On matcha.xyz, navigate to start trading and select the token that you want to trade. I'm going to start with wrapped ETH on the Polygon network. By the way, this is one of 3 networks that we support limit orders on. Tap the limit order tab here and you'll see a fresh set of options pop up below the trade module. So as I said, first select your sell token. We're going WETH. We're going to sell that for USDC at a certain token price. Down here, you can use these handy little buttons to indicate a level you'd want to make a swap at. Let's say if ETH goes 10% up, I want to sell. All right, that's how we're going to set that up. Also going to set up our expiry. We've got a bunch of little handy options here, but you can also create a custom expiry date. And as you can see, fee free. It's fee free to create limit orders on Matcha. All right, we're going to review our order. And boom, there it is. Now, if you want to see your orders and review your work, maybe cancel your orders, just go to matcha.xyz/history/open-orders. If you just go to history, you can tap on the open orders tab here. But as you can see, there's our order, and 0% of it is filled, and you can cancel it just like that. Bye. Boom. All right, that's limit orders, and that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on Matcha.